there we go. Hi, hello, hey, it's me, it's Andy from Absurd Joy doing a 10-minute code doodle. It's been a long weekend, and why don't I just show you a little screenshot that I took here. I spent all friggin' weekend playing Space Engineers, and I took just a whole bunch of beautiful screenshots, and I'm loving life. Everything's good right now. Let me just reset the countdown timer for 10 minutes. As you all know, my loyal followers, 10-minute code jams are about setting aside 10 minutes of your day just to do a quick doodle for two reasons. One, it's awesome and super fun. You should do it. Two is because it's really good to try to guess what kind of stuff you can do in a fixed period of time, and then test yourself to see if you can do it. Helps project management and stuff. Things, the reasons, you know what? Just do it for fun. Just do it for fun. That's all you need to do. Okay. I'm still on my Space Engineers kick, as you just saw. So, I'm going to continue my space project. If you recall from yesterday, I made a planet with gravity and a spaceship with thrusters. And if you hit play, we'll see that it just gets sucked into the planet and sticks to it. Woo, that's as far as I got in 10 minutes the other day. Well, 20 minutes, actually, technically speaking. But today I've got a special guest. I got a special guest game object. So I'm actually going to create a new project, still space themed. I'm going to call it Cycera Space. And the reason for that is because while I made yesterday's, while I made this thing that's on the screen right now, Cyceratops on Twitter, also my boss, made a, look at this. Wait, how do you go down? Q. Made a Lunar Lander. Look at that beauty. Look at that boy. So this Lunar Lander was made also in jam style using Blender for the first time. So good job, Cyceratops on Twitter. I'm going to make a game with this object. So now we got jam on jam action. This is double jam. All right, so what I'm going to do is I cheated by drag and dropping it into the project, but in my 10 minutes, I'm going to delete the planet and the circular gravity thing. I'm going to make the lander just work like it normally does, or, like landers normally do in 2D. And try to make like a 2D Lunar Lander-esque game. Just see how far I can get with that. Here's my prediction. I'm going to make a flat world. I'm going to have the lander land on that flat world, fall from the sky. That's going to be probably 2 minutes. And then I'm going to try to add some flight controls to it. And I think I'm going to take 4 to 6 minutes just to tune that, which will leave me about 1 or 2 minutes left for something else. I don't know what that's going to be. Maybe it should be... I don't even know. Let's see where inspiration takes me. Let's see what my muse is saying today. Let's start this countdown clock and let's get going. Let's start by removing the planet. And let's make... which way's forward? That way's forward. And this is our... Look at this planet. Planet White Cube is what I'm naming it. I'm dubbing it Planet White Cube. That's the scientific name. It's got its actual name is something nice like... diversity cube. Okay, so let's reset the position of this and let's lift it up a little bit. And we're going to need to constrain the position and the rotation. I only want it to rotate on this axis, which is Z. So I don't want it to rotate in X or Y, and I don't want it to move on the Z axis. So that should be kind of up, down, left, right, and rotate left, right. Nice 2D gameplay. Look at that. Easy. And then I got a spaceship control script on here. This is just a script I added and never fleshed out yesterday, so not cheating on that one. And gravity. I need to turn on gravity. Use gravity. Okay, is that enough? Will it work? Will it work now? Donk. Yes. Okay, now what I need to do is get the camera lined up with the lander. So, oh sure, I'll just throw this in here. Oh, no. I'll throw it in the bottom. Come on. I don't have time to deal with prefabs. Okay, and I want that camera to be lined up with the lander. And I'll just move it back a bit and up a bit. Ooh, what if I make it ortho? Would that be fun? Yeah, that'll be fun. I declare it so. It must be fun. Okay. And let's increase that game view a bit. Let's just see how this feels, how it works. Boop. Done. Nice. Okay. Good. Now, just for some style, I think... Oh, all of these things. I'm gonna rotate them slightly. Yeah. Aesthetics are very important because now the landing gear isn't lined up straight with the camera, so it looks a little bit cooler. Okay, I mean, done. You know what? Real quick, I'm gonna add some variety in the terrain. I'm gonna do that just by like that, so I have some like an interesting flat surface to actually start from or try to aim towards. Yeah, there we go. Okay, my time is going a little long, but I think I'm done with my level design. That's a pretty good start, and I'm done with the lander, the gravity settings. Only thing I need to do now is controls. I can focus the entire rest of the jam on controls. I think I'm 2 minutes long already. I think I'm not going to make it. Acceleration and oh, now I'm stressing out. Okay, I'm going to make it so. Well, I can't think. Get key code. Up arrow. So up arrow is going to. Okay, now I have reference to the rigid body. The up arrow is just going to apply a force. And that's just going to go straight up, fully balanced. So I'm going to call that... and it's going to go straight up. Transform.up times the acceleration factor times delta time. And the force mode is going to be acceleration. Done. Okay, so that should be enough to like make it kind of bounce. If I tap the up arrow, how about I actually give the acceleration a value? How about I make it a big value? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, Lunar Lander, nice. Okay, so let's save that. That actually felt good. It felt weighty, and I think it's because I set the mass to 1,000, or the prefab came with a mass of 1,000. Okay, now I need left and right, and then I'm done. Maybe I do have time. Look, I have 5 minutes left. Left arrow. And... actually, I think instead of just manually doing left and right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say get axis, and Unity comes with a string horizontal axis, and that's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Oh, I can't think. Okay, add torque. The torque is going to be transform.force forward. I think torque is around the axis that you're going around, and forward is straight back from the camera. I think. That'll be an acceleration as well. So this will be 0 most of the time, but get axis does a nice ramp up and ramp down as you hold down the left and right keys. So maybe that's all I need. I need a multiplier for that amount as well, though. So I'm gonna go times turn acceleration. Okay, let's see how that feels. Go, go, go. And let's actually set the value. 1,000 seems to be working. Whoa! Okay, doing a mad flip. Also, I thought I disabled rotation. I must have disabled rotation on the wrong axis. Okay, don't know what axis. Let's just try them all. Let's try all the axes and see which one actually works. Because I thought it was forward. Woo! Doing mad flips. Okay, that's too much on the torque. Maybe 100. I might turn down the acceleration as well. Oh, no, I still want to turn down the torque. Also, it's inverted. Oh, easy way to fix the inversion. Let's make it minus. Oh, he's beefy and slow. Oh, he's got... Let's land on this hill. Yay, we did it. Oh no. Okay, so it doesn't feel quite cool enough, but there we go. Double the torque. I think that's a good setup. I still have 2 minutes left. Can I make a little thruster animation when I hold down the key in 2 minutes? Let's see. I just want to add a particle effect, which is effect particle system. Yeah, and let's make it. Oh, this font is so small. How do I? Emission. I want more. Nice, perfect. And let's make it a cone shape. Yep. Okay, and its rotation. I can just rotate it myself, right? Like this. Let's put it in the middle. Restart? Why can't I see it? Go on. Play. Why is it not playing? Hello? Computer? Oh, what? How did that reset? There we go. Boom. Okay, 49 seconds left. Shit. Particle system. Public particle system. PS equals get component in children. Particle system. And only if you're doing this, PS. Oh no. Emission dot enabled. Emission enabled equals true, else PS emission enabled equals false. Wait, why can't I set that? Oh. Okay, I'm out of time, but I think that's unfair. You know what? I'm just gonna set the game object to true, and I'm gonna get around that. It's gonna look shitty, but at least I have it. And then the one thing I'm gonna do is just drag and drop this here, and then I'll call it. Okay, I'm done now. Let's see how close I got. Let's see. Boop, boop. Oh yeah, perfect. That is a beautiful particle system. Nice. My rotation fucked up again. Now I'm gonna roll down the hill. Woo! Oh, that's beautiful in the scene view down here. Nice. I did it. Because the position is locked. Ugh. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, great. Well, all in all, thanks to Cyceratops for creating this little Lunar Lander module for me on their own jam, their own Doodle, little 3D model Doodle there. Okay, let's do a quick review. I was thinking I could get the module landing on a platform and lock it to 2D. Other than I've locked the incorrect rotation axis. I think success there. I actually got the controls feeling pretty good, especially here. Let me maximize it. Before you hit the ground and everything starts screwing up, it feels good. I think what I'd want to do is change the... I want to change the camera so it's not locked to it. Like, that feels kind of dumb, especially when the background isn't shifting. Like, it kind of feels like a weird context. Maybe just make the camera follow it in a nice, juicy way. But yeah, I mean, it feels kind of nice. Like, it feels heavy. Feels like a nice left-right motion going on there. If I didn't start you immediately above the flat area, it might actually be a bit of a challenge to land right here. And I got a bonus terrain in. Like, I know it's just me duplicating some rectangles, but I got a nice little bonus terrain. Yeah. In service to the getting the camera working nicely, that'll also allow me to zoom out and get a more strategic, better view of the level. Anyway, that was it. That's all for my jam. That's all for my jam. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me. Do your own little code doodles. Don't be afraid. Share them. See what you can do. At least get better at judging what you can make in what period of time. Doesn't have to be 10 minutes. I've done some 1 hour jams in the past, or 24-hour jams or whatever. Just even 1 week sprints. That's a fun one. Anyway, do more. I'm gonna click the end stream button now. I have work to do. Goodbye.